Today, I would like to help with DevOps roadmap for Linux admins. This video guides Linux admins on transitioning into cloud and DevOps. With the rise of cloud computing, the majority of customers moved their applications to the cloud. As a result, the demand for professionals who understand both Linux and cloud native DevOps practices has grown significantly. Linux admins already having a strong base, making it easier for them to learn and move into DevOps and cloud roles. In this video, I'll show you the skills you need to learn and the right path to become DevOps engineer. To become a cloud and DevOps engineer, you must learn the following skills. You must have Linux essential skills, which is your primary skill already. Then learn a cloud computing, Amazon Web Services, Azure or GCP. Along with that, infrastructure as code, that is Terraform, which helps in automating infrastructure provisioning and maintenance. Followed by on DevOps side, you'll find lots of tools, but very important tools are very few. In that, source code management tool, which is Git, for CI/CD orchestration, Jenkins, or similar tool like Jenkins. In case of Azure, it's Azure DevOps Services. Then Docker, which is a containerization tool, which is very essential, followed by Kubernetes, a container orchestration tool. So these are the key tools and essential concepts you must be familiar to become cloud and DevOps engineer. If you have more questions or you need more guidance, please call us. We will help you.